Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project with a dependable template. Choose Empty Compose if you want Jetpack Compose UI or Empty Activity for XML. Next, add a lightweight quote data class containing ID, text, author, and timestamp so persistence maps cleanly. Then immediately add room dependencies and enable Kotlin capped. Define a minimal DAO with insert, delete, and get all. This setup ensures your app has a stable model and storage layer. Once done, you'll be ready to wire UI and repository code. Now implement a repository that wraps the DAO and exposes a flow or live data so UI reacts to changes. This decouples storage from presentation. Create a view model that collects the stream, exposes state, and provides insert and delete functions. Use coroutine scope for background operations. For the UI, build a list view showing quotes, an add quote form with validation, and a delete action, swipe to delete, or a button. Once wired, state flows from database to screen automatically and remains testable. Finally, polish behavior and test. Add input validation, error handling, and subtle animations to make the experience feel responsive. Write unit tests for your view model and instrumented tests for room so you catch regressions. Once packaged, sign and run a release build. If something goes wrong, inspect logs and the room database file via Device File Explorer. Make sure coroutine dispatchers use I/O for database work. If you see empty lists, confirm DAO queries return flow/live data, and view model is collecting them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.